Hi guys, just a quick look at the Uniden or Uniden UBC Uniden Bearcat 785XLT. The 785XLT. Just doing a bit of scanning tonight and just realised something on these radios that is a bit of a, I wouldn't call it a bug. I know that Uniden Bearcat radios can be a little bit glitchy from time to time, or characteristic with various things. I've had a couple of little things happen on them. They're not so much faults as niggles, but one I've noticed on this is if you scan on FM channels only, there's about 20 channels in here, I think, programmed. It's silent, absolutely silent, until the squelch is broken, obviously, and it receives a channel. But if you put in the if you add one of your channels, channel 6, I think it's about channel 4, yeah, no, that's quite an active channel, so I'll go to channel 9 AM. Look, so unlock that one, press scan, and you get that. I'll turn the antenna off so it doesn't break the squelch. You get that noise, that popping noise, very low audio sort of volume, just a very background sort of thing. If you talk or you're on a video on YouTube or something like that in the background, you won't even notice it. But it's only when you're sitting in total silence listening to a scanner you would notice it, which is mildly annoying. So what I've done to get rid of this is, first of all, this channel I've got in programming at the moment doesn't really I've got a search bank on this particular channel, channel 9. It searches really quick on this search bank there. It's done in about 2 seconds, the whole bank. So it's thinking on the whole bank, if I feel like listening to some of that. Secondly, it's not in use very often, and it's the Super Bowl channel I'll be interested in, 27025 AM or thereabouts. The Super Bowl, when it's up, the skip's up, which I don't particularly listen to on this radio anyway. And the second one is the Air 133.6, which is, I think it's Birmingham approach or something like that, around where I live, which again is not something, if I put that channel on, it's a very active channel. So what am I doing? What have I done? Oh, so I'm in search mode. Okay, so just hold that. Okay, so Birmingham approach, I believe it's Birmingham approach, I'm not sure, to be honest. It's a local-ish airport anyway. So here we go. If I put it on scan, that'll break the squelch, almost indefinitely break the squelch on that channel, because it's a very active channel. So that gets quite annoying. If you're trying to scan, just keep picking up that one channel. I'm not overly interested in air, although it's a very good air scanner. I don't know if you've got all AM channels programmed, it'll do the same. I'll have to check that out. Right, I've just gone through and programmed into bank 2. I've programmed only AM channels, and no, as I suspected, it's where AM and FM channels are scanned in the same bank or scanned together. So it's silent. Here, there's that channel I was talking about. Anyway, so, and it pops. Yeah, let's turn the antenna off. Yeah, it only pops once now in between banks, because now it's I think it's when it's actually scanning, it's scanning AM and FM now. That's better. Okay, so it's sort of a workaround, I suppose, but I've got to scan a load of AM channels which I don't particularly want to scan. What it's doing is when it's changing between AM and FM, that's when it's making a little pop noise, very minor noise. Anyway, so if you're doing AM or just FM, or just AM or just FM, then it doesn't pop. But if you do both, it does pop. You can't really hear it that bad, to be fair. Slightly annoying though. Okay guys, that's it for now. Just thought I'd mention that. Please let me know if anyone else has got this scanner or any other Uniden scanner and does the same sort of thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.